Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a logo, specifically a business logo with ChatGPT. So now you want to go to google.com and then you want to see if you can search up, and then once you search up popular logos, you just want to go to one. I'm going to click on this one here, click copy, and now I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and paste it here, Control V, and now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to analyze these popular logos, and we're going to generate a logo for ourselves. You want to make sure it's on ChatGPT 4.0. For me to make a logo. Use these as ideas and color schemes. I'll tell you my business logo, business name, and the niche that I'm in. According to the niche. So I just read, can you analyze these logos for me and make a logo for me? Use the ideas and color schemes. I'll tell you my business name and the niche that I'm in, and you create it according to the niche. So now I just want to click enter. Alright, so now it's going to give you some info. You just want to fill out the info that it's given you. So your business name, I'm just going to call it fancy, and the niche industry in. I want to click shift and enter to go under. I'll just write clothing brand. Go under. The vibe or aesthetic you want. So if you have an idea of what colors you want, you can just write it here. We'll go modern. Any shape, symbols, or inspiration you like to include. I'll just say use the photo above as inspiration and create a logo for me. So use the photo above as inspiration. Now create a logo for me. Now I click enter, and let's see if it starts making a logo. So it's giving me response 1 and response 2. So we'll wait and see what happens here. So as you can see, it's starting to generate. We'll give it some time and see what happens. So bang, as you can see, it's made crazy 2 thumbnails. I mean, not thumbnails, sorry, logos within seconds. And if you're not happy with it, you can easily ask ChatGPT to generate more. Or like if you want a different design, or you have a really good inspiration, you can add it. You just copy the photo and put it in here and say, this is my inspiration, please use similar aspects of the photo and use it in my logo. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, also if you want to learn more about AI, you can join down below. I have a free PDF guide on how to use AI efficiently to save hours of your time. So yeah, just hop straight into it, and thank you for watching.